All right, I'm gonna change the oil and filter in 2016. What is this, Honda Odyssey Touring? All right, so first I'm gonna do is get the car up, because unlike this Subaru where the oil filter is just under the hood, this one is like way underneath the wheel. It's extremely inaccessible, and it's a pain in the behind to get to. So first thing I'm gonna do is, all right, so we got the car up on a jack stand, just one. I'm gonna take the wheel up now. Easy to do with this. One, two, three, four, five. All right, so that's the wheel. 5 locking hubs. Let's put it off this wheel off to the side. As you can see, that gives you access to the oil filter, which is right in there. All right. So next thing I'm gonna do is open the hood and take the dipstick out. And open up the oil fill. Pardon my crappy camera work, but that's the way it goes. Put this up here. Alright. So let's get the dipstick out of here, which is right there. The dipstick actually looks fairly clean, but the car was only saying 20% oil life left. We put a lot of highway miles on this. The fill cap is somewhere. There it is, right down here. It's OW20. Take this off. Right there. All right. Now, get under the car. This thing has been working out pretty good. So this goes like this. This comes off like that. It screws on here. Now I wish it was a little bit bigger, and I wish the garbage day wasn't like yesterday, because I could use a big gigantic piece of cardboard for underneath there. Because no matter what I do, it always tends to drip. So let me pause the video, and I'll put something down here so I don't ruin my garage floor any more than it is already. All right, so I laid down some plastic under the car. Hopefully you can catch this. Right there is the oil. It even says it, engine oil. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and move this out of the way. Not sure if this is pointing the right way, but hopefully it is. I'm not the best camera person. All right, and this requires a 17mm socket. So I'm gonna use a breaker bar in case it's tight. I'll put this oil drain in there. And hopefully I can get this in there. Let's see. All right. So let's do it. There we go. Good. All right, that breaker bar sure helps. All right, so I'm gonna get my hand away from here. I'm gonna try to spin this off and catch this. Let's see what I can do. I'm holding this up with one hand. It is gonna be a mess, because it always is a mess. Let's see. Ready, here it comes. All right, they did get some on the floor. And I caught this. So, drain the filthy end out of the car. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this off. There we go. Let's see, I'll put my hand on it. Yeah, there's the oil filter. All right. So, let's see if I can spin this off by hand. Yep, I can. All right, and it's gonna make a mess. No question about it. It always does. Here comes the oil. I hope there it's dripping. Let's move this a little bit over. It's impossible for it not to. Just the way this is set up. There's all kinds of stuff under it. So I'm spinning this off. Hopefully I'll catch it when it's done. But then I'm gonna have to clean off. There we go. A ton, like here. And here. I'll do my best to wipe this off. Now, I actually went to the Honda dealer earlier. I've bought every single filter for this car since it was new at the dealership. I don't know why, but here it is. So I went over there with $6, included a crush washer they gave me. So here's this. So the way you install this is you take a little bit of used oil and you put it around the gasket with your finger like this. Make sure I'm not getting any dirt. If you can see this, but hopefully it'll seal off and that'll be the end of it. Hand tight, they say. Of course, I was pointing the wrong way, but I put that on. Hand tight. Oh, all right. All right. So that's on. Just cleaning where all this oil spilled before, because there's no question this is going to drip all over the place. I prefer it doesn't drip all over the car, all over the bottom of the garage. All right, now. At this point, all the oil should be drained out from underneath the car. And I can get under there, put the bolt back, but I want to see about the crush washer. It should still be up there. Let's see what's up here. Yeah, the washers are stuck there. There it goes. All right. So, I'll take a new one right there. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Put it on here. Spin this back on. I don't know if this is videoing anything that I'm doing, but I'm sorry if it's not. All right, hand tighten this. All right, now I'm just gonna tighten this with the ratchet. All right, let's take this. And I wonder if there's a speck I don't know if there's a spec to torque it to, but I'm not doing it. All right. Well, I think all right, that should be enough. You know, the idea is not to go gorilla ape on it. It's just to get it to crush the washer and not leak. Let's see. Let's give it one more pull. All right, that's enough. All right, so let's try this off. I think one of the keys is to clean everything off. This way you can see if you have a leak based on if anything leaks afterwards. All right, that's it. Now, theoretically, we're going to fill up the oil, put the tire back on, and be done. Manuals ain't what they used to be. So here's from online, the 16 US Odyssey engine oil. All right, it takes OW20 and 4, including the filter, 4.5 quarts. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of the oil in with the car up like this, and then I'll lower it and put the rest of the oil in. All right, 4.5 quarts. I could just lower the car and put it in flat, but in case I stupidly start the car, I don't want to ruin the engine. So it's OW20, 4.5 quarts. Here's the fill, 4.5 quarts. All right, 4.5 quarts, here we go. I'll put in like 2 or 3. Because the car's got to be level. All right, it's up to here. All right, well, we're right about here, right about there. All right. So I'm going to take the car, leave the funnel in there, put the tire on, and put it down. All right, so that's what you call like a racing jack or whatever. I don't know, but it's been great. All right, so now we're gonna put the rest of the oil into the car. We'll pour it in and test it out. See what it's right now. It looks like it's full. Maybe it's a little bit shy. But that's it. All right, done. So thanks for watching. You too can do an oil change. It's actually very easy.